That is not the expected answer, Arpan. Mathi हेर त माथि. You can see in the first answer. Excuse me sir, was it 3 stick or 4 sticks मा चाहिँ हामीले के युज गरेको छौँ WH को ठाउँमा
That or which?
that or which. यहाँ
Which,
चाहिँ
sir?
किन that or which आयो. अनि in number second why who is suitable, in number first why that or which is suitable. किन माथि चाहिँ हुलाउँदा हुँदैन थियो त.
No, sir.
किन हुँदैन, why
Because
not. Go on please. Because just see, okay, see the noun just before this WH. That or which भन्दा
yes, sir.
just before के छ नाम. यो 4 sticks भनेको
Sir,
is this. Go on.
sir, it is material now.
Material noun, or this is not person. This does not
Yes, sir, it is
indicate
object.
person. It is object or it is things, right? So in
Yes,
case
sir.
of object or things we use that or which. But your father or mother indicates person, right?
Yes, sir.
In case of person we use who. अब पर्सनको पनि तीनटा केस छ नि त. पर्सन एज अ सब्जेक्ट हो. यो योर फादर हेल्प यु हेज बिन हेल्पिङ यु, मदर हेज बिन हेल्पिङ भनेको एज अ सब्जेक्ट आएको छ. सब्जेक्ट आयो भने चाहिँ वी हेभ टु युज हु. अब यो चाहिँ एज अ अब्जेक्ट आयो होइन. यु आर
Yes, sir.
हेल्पिङ युर फादर भनेर युर फादर मदर चाहिँ लास्टमा एज अ सब्जेक्ट अब्जेक्ट आयो भने वी हेभ टु युज हुम इन द्याट केस. अब फेरि युर फादर्स मोबाइल, मदर्स मोबाइल इज इन पोसेसिभ फर्म. If it is used in possessive form, possession त तिमी थाहा पाउँछौ नि. If person if personal noun indicates possessive form, then we have to use whose. यसको उसको फादरको मदरको भन्ने आयो भने हुज लाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. त्यो यसरी चाहिँ हामीले WH हरु युज गर्ने हो है. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ल यस यो भएकोले त्यो WH लाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले एकदम ध्यान दिनुपर्छ यो WH मा कुन लाउने भन्ने. अनि वाज र इज पनि के कारणले लाग्छ अरे. वाज र इज पनि इफ द क्वेसन इज इन पास्ट टेन्स देन बिगिन विथ वाज. इफ क्वेसन इज इन प्रेजेन्ट टेन्स देन बिगिन विथ इज. अनि यहाँ अप्सन दिने ठाउँमा कुन छ अप्सन त्यो हेर्ने. अनि यो WH लाउने चाहिँ कुन हो त अब त्यो विचार गरेर लाउने. अस्ति हामीले चाहिँ इन आई थिंक युनिट 3 वी हेभ अलरेडी लर्न अबाउट that relative pronoun, and this is the same case. Here also WH word, that, which, who, whose, whom, when, where, these are used as relative pronoun. So relative pronouns are used for the noun just before it. Okay, so according to the noun the suitable relative pronoun must be used. Things छ भने that, which, person छ भने who, whose, whom, अनि place छ भने where, त्यस्तो region छ भने why, and time, if the noun indicates time then we have to use when. त्यसरी हेर्नुपर्छ त ल. So I think most of you have got your workbook. Go to page number 44 in your workbook. From your workbook, see page number 44, and there are other questions. There are 10 questions. You have to do these questions and you have to submit it. Please write your questions, these answers, solve it in your notebook. And everybody has Android mobile. Take the photo of your homework, let's say your work, and send it to our group, or directly you can send me to my ID in Messenger, through Messenger. I will check it. So this is question number 3. Now let me ask you now. This is question number 3. Dia, please unmute you.
Yes, sir.
Now you will answer me this question. Do remind me, was it Paris or Madrid where we last met in?
Do remind me.
Yes, do remind me.
Where was it, Paris or?
This is answer. Oh, this is answer.
No,
Don't be
sir.
confused.
Where was it?
Do you
No,
have book?
No, sir.
You don't have book, right?
Yes, I have. I am. मतलब मैले खोजेको थिएँ सर तर पाइनँ.
You had better visit that stationery. One stationery is there in front of our school, I think. Not in front of, on the way. Nirmitagi ke stationery छ त्यहाँ. You can go and buy. Since in the beginning I told you to buy book, but you guys are still very lazy to buy English book. I don't know why. This is answer, okay? There is question. Question is, do remind me, did we last meet in Paris or Madrid भन्ने छ. So did बाट सुरु भएको भएर this is past. We have to begin it with past tense. So do remind me, was it Paris or Madrid where we last met in हुन्छ यसको answer. So I think who has book? Nirmal, you have book? Nirmal, unmute please.
Yes, sir.
You have a workbook, right?
Sir, I have only French book.
You don't have a workbook?
No, sir.
Okay, Pratiksha Devja, you unmute please.
Yes, sir.
You have workbook, I know that. Please go to your workbook, page number 44.
Yes, sir.
See question number 4. I have completely forgotten. Do we have to come early tomorrow or the day after? Now make the answer question for it. Yes.
I have completely forgotten. Eat early tomorrow or the day after. We have to.
Is it early tomorrow or the day after? And WH को ठाउँमा चाहिँ which relative pronoun is suitable? Which, okay, that, okay, who, okay, when, okay, where, okay. When? Is it? Why when? Yes, you told the correct answer. Is it tomorrow or the day after? Is it early tomorrow? Early लाई त्यहाँ अगाडि ल्याउँदा नि भयो, लास्टमा राख्दा नि भयो. Is it tomorrow or the day after when we have to come early? Okay? In this way, we can write answer. And Ayusha Shrestha, you also have got book. Please answer me question number 5. Ayusha, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Please go to page number 44 from your workbook and see question number 5. He is engaged to Japanese girl, I think, or maybe she is Chinese. Now tell me answer, please.
Is it
Yeah.
is it Japanese girl or Chinese?
Yeah.
Is it Japanese or Chinese girl
Yes.
whom he is engaged?
Very good. Very good. Is it Chinese girl or Japanese girl, or is it Chinese girl or Japanese girl or Chinese girl whom he is engaged to? That is the correct answer. 2 आयो लास्टमा भने चाहिँ who लाउन पनि सकिन्छ. ओके.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
यो whom को ठाउँमा who लाउँदा पनि this is correct. Is it a Japanese or a Chinese girl whom he is engaged to? Very good. So I think somehow you have understood. अर्को Pinky, are you there? Pinky is there? Is there Pinky today in our group? I don't see. Sneha is there? Sneha?
Sir.
You also have workbook, right? Sneha? Hello, Sneha. I'm waiting you.
She's not here, I think. No, she hasn't taken.
She's not in the class today.
Yes, sir. No, she didn't take.
Okay, and Miss Dulal, Rosni, do you have book? Rosni is there, I think. You have book,
Only
right?
student. No, sir.
Okay, then the question answers goes like this. I have I have written only answers. You can click it, okay? If you need, then you can have a screenshot, especially for Nepali medium students. It may be difficult. आज को छ मैले त देखेको पनि छैन नेपाली मिडियम स्टुडेन्ट त. Okay, you should do this exercise. Now go to page number 45. Another correcting भन्ने exercise छ त्यहाँ. So यो सँगसँगै अर्को एउटा पनि छ, very important reported question पनि छ. यो unit I am supposed to finish this unit today, but we may not. So go to page number 45 from workbook. There is another exercise correcting. Correct the statements below like this. You might be asked questions, and for the answer we can use this structure. Okay. It plus was not or is not. Was not in the case in case the given statement is in past tense, then we should write was not. If the given statement is present tense, then we have to write is not. Then WH word, the same type of WH word, just in the previous just before we used WH as a relative pronoun. In the same way, WH words in case of person, who, whose, whom. In case of things, that or which. In case of place, in that way. And after that, auxiliary verb or verb and object and full stop. Okay. Dot 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 other necessary after object necessary things. If there are necessary things, then we have to place here and then full stop. And again we should begin another sentence beginning with it. If past tense, then was. If present tense, then is. Then plus correct answer. Correct the statement below भनेको छ. It means we have to realize that the given statement will be wrong, so we have to correct that with correct information, correct answer. So for an example like this, number 1, Charles Dickens was born in Stratford on Avon भन्ने ठाउँमा चार्ल्स डिकेन्स जन्मेको थियो भन्ने स्टेटमेन्ट छ. अब यहाँ केही न केही इन्फर्मेसन चाहिँ गलत छ यहाँ. सो वी हेभ टु रिकरेक्ट द्याट. वी हेभ टु करेक्ट द्याट false statement. This false noun should be replaced with correct noun. So in your book also it is given there. It was not Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens चाहिँ होइन त्यहाँ जन्मेको. करेक्ट. इन फ्याक्ट चार्ल्स डिकेन्स चाहिँ होइन, तर त्यहाँ जन्मेको चाहिँ को थियो? Who was born there? शेक्सपियर चाहिँ त्यो स्ट्राटफोर्ड अन एभन भन्ने युके को एउटा ठाउँको नाम हो. त्यहाँ चाहिँ शेक्सपियर जन्मेको हो, चार्ल्स डिकेन्स चाहिँ होइन भन्नु पर्यो. फर द्याट वी शुड नो द करेक्ट इन्फर्मेसन. के गल्ती छ त्यहाँ र त्यसको करेक्ट चाहिँ के हुन्छ नाउन भनेर चाहिँ हामीलाई थाहा हुनुपर्छ. द्याट इन्फर्मेसन आई विल प्रोभाइड यु एन्ड यु शुड फलो दिस स्ट्रक्चर एन्ड यु शुड राइट द करेक्ट आन्सर. लाइक यहाँ चार्ल्स डिकेन्स चाहिँ थिएन, यो वाज भएकोले यहाँनिर इट वाज नट आयो, प्रेजेन्ट पास्ट टेन्स नै आयो. अब चार्ल्स डिकेन्स त त्यहाँ जन्मेको होइन भन्नु पर्यो नि त. त्यसको लागि इट वाज नट चार्ल्स डिकेन्स, हु यहाँ आयो, हु. किनभने चार्ल्स डिकेन्स भनेको पर्सन हो, त्यही भएर हु आयो यहाँ. हु वाज बोर्न इन स्ट्राटफोर्ड एभन, होइन, फुल स्टप आयो. अब इट वाज नै आउनु पर्यो यहाँ, फेरि पास्टमा चाहिँ इट वाज शेक्सपियर लेखिदियो. करेक्ट आन्सर चार्ल्स डिकेन्स शेक्सपियर लेखिदियो, सक्यो. In this way we have to do this exercise. Number 2, doctors look after your teeth भन्ने छ त्यहाँ हो. In number 2, number 2 question goes like this. Now Nirmal, you cannot say I only have a student's book. This question is here. Now you have to answer me. Nirmal, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me answer. You doctor is a false noun here. You should replace doctor with dentist.
It was not doctor who looked after it was not doctor who looked after your teeth. It was dentist.
Yeah. It was not doctor who look after your teeth, it was dentist.
Dentist.
Okay, Ayusha.
Sir,
Nirmal. Do you want to
sir,
recur?
sir, it was हुन्छ कि सर it is dentist हुन्छ?
Oh, who is this? Arpan?
Yes.
Oh, I am going to ask some of you now. It is huncha ki it was huncha ta la? Tell me, Arpan.
Sir, it is.
It is. Why it is?
Sir, because it is in
Present
simple
tense.
present tense.
It is in present tense. Not only simple present.
Yes,
Any
sir.
form of present भेट्ने बित्तिकै we have to use is. Any form of past if you find the given statement is in past tense, simple, continuous, present continuous, के अरे past मतलब perfect continuous, perfect, any form.
Yes,
Past tense छ भने use was, any form present tense छ भने use is. Okay, now Nirmal, you also got the idea, right? Your answer is very
Yes,
correct,
sir.
but you followed the just this above example. It is
Yes,
not
sir.
doctor. It is not doctor who look after your teeth. It is dentist. Number 3 question. Now Arpan, try it.
Sir, I need to make a question.
You have to write answer now. You have to tell answer. See, read this statement first.
It wasn't Marco Polo who discovered America, it was Columbus.
Answer is, I have given you answer. I had to write question, no, and this is my mistake. I had to write question so that you could answer me. This is answer, yes. Question is given in the book, right? Arpan, I will read out one question. You have to answer me, okay? Arpan, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen carefully. The sun causes the tides. The sun, घामले गर्दा चाहिँ ज्वार भटाएर आउँछ अरे tides. The sun causes the tides. But sun चाहिँ हैन, moonले भन्नु पर्यो तिमीले. The sun causes means verb 5. The sun causes the tides.
So the sun causes the
Tides, T-I-D-S, tides.
sir, it isn't sir, it isn't sun
It is
which
not.
causes tide,
It
it
is
is
the.
moon.
It is the moon, right? It is not the sun
Yes, sir.
that or which causes the tides. It is the moon. In that way, we have to write answer. This is answer. This is. Oh, now only I have given some options here. Okay, so I can ask now. Now, Dia, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Number 5 question is democracy started in Italy. Okay, you
Yes,
can
sir.
you can write in notebook if you don't have book. Democracy started in Italy, but not in Italy. Greece मा चाहिँ हो भनेर you have to make answer. Democracy started in Italy. Italy मा हैन, Greece मा हो भन्नु पर्यो.
It wasn't.
Yeah, it was not.
It wasn't democracy.
इटलीमा डेमोक्रेसी सुरु भएको होइन, ग्रिसमा भएको हो भन्नु पर्यो.
Yes, it wasn't democracy. Sorry. It wasn't democracy who established Italy. It was.
No, who? How can you use who? Who for persons? And you don't have to replace democracy. You have to replace Italy with Greece. So here incorrect information is Italy in this sentence. Democracy. It was not in.
Italy.
Yeah, in Italy that
Democracy has.
started, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
It was
It was
in
in.
Greece. Oh, in that way you should go. Thank you. And number next, I would like to ask it to who are other there. La Pratiksha, tell me number 6. Agatha Christie is number 6. Agatha Christie is wrong information. You should follow this Agatha Christie with Ian Fleming. I have read. You can see in the screen. We are running out of time.
It was an Agatha Christie who wrote the James Bond story. It was Fleming.
Your sound is a bit echoed. Cannot be understood clearly. Okay, what you wrote, said it was not Agatha Christie, and then which WH or which relative pronoun you use there?
It was an Agatha Christie
And
who wrote
okay, it was not Agatha Christie who wrote the James Bond story. Full stop. It was
the
Ian
James
Fleming.
Bond story.
Okay, thank you. नम्बर 5 चाहिँ अब द्याट विच भन्दा पनि अघि हामीले द्याट विच भन्छौँ. नम्बर 5 लाई चाहिँ वेयर राख्दा राम्रो हुन्छ है. इट वाज नट इन इटली वेयर डेमोक्रेसी स्टार्टेड. इट वाज इन ग्रीस. इन द्याट वे इट शुड गो. नम्बर 6 इट वाज नट अगस्ता क्रिसी हु रोट इयन फ्लेमिङ. इट वाज इट वाज नट अगस्ता क्रिसी हु रोट जेम्स बन्ड स्टोरी. इट वाज इयन फ्लेमिङ हुनु पर्यो. सो नम्बर 7 इन्डिया हेज द लार्जेस्ट पपुलेसन इन द वर्ल्ड. Ayusha will tell this answer. Number 7. Not India, China.
It isn't India who has largest population in the world. It is China.
Who or that? Which is suitable? Who or that?
I don't know, sir.
Who we generally use who for persons. Okay, so India and China, since they are the name of country, you better write which or that. It is not India that has or which has the largest population. Full stop. It is China. And number 8, Martin Luther King was assassinated in Dallas. त्यहाँ Martin Luther King मारिएको होइन दलासमा, जोन एफ केनेडी हो. त्यही भएर हामीले लेख्नु पर्यो इट वाज नट मार्टिन लुथर किङ. हु चाहिँ यहाँ हुन्छ, यो पर्सन हो. हु वाज एसिनेटेड इन दलास. इट वाज जोन एफ केनेडी. इन द्याट वे वी हेभ टु राइट. वी हेभ स्टिल 7 minutes. लेट्स सी हाउ मच वी क्यान कम्प्लिट. नाउ देयर इज another topic. This is very important one from this unit. Reported questions. Now till now we read about we got some ideas about indirect question, right? There is until class 10 we read reported statement or indirect statement or direct indirect as the same thing. But here there is a slight difference between indirect statement or indirect question and reported questions. Indirect statement or reported statements. So what is that difference? Let's have some ideas. Let's see the differences between these 3 types of questions. First, direct questions, indirect questions, and reported questions. Okay, so direct questions means it is in the form of auxiliaries, verb and subject and main verb and object. Okay, in the beginning this is a direct yes no question. But direct WH question मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ त, just before auxiliaries we can put some WH word, suitable WH word. And why does he like ice cream? If we make why question, then that also becomes direct WH question. Does he like ice cream? This is yes no question. It is direct yes no question. Now indirect questions चाहिँ it is like we practiced in this same unit in the previous class. We practice this indirect questions. Indirect questions begins with some expressions like do you know, I want to know, I am longing to know, have you any idea, can you tell me. In that like this some expressions in the beginning we have to write some expressions. Then we will join, in case of yes no question, we will join that with either with if or whether, and subject verb object in this form it goes. यहाँ चाहिँ माथि डाइरेक्ट क्वेसनमा चाहिँ एक्जुलेरिज सब्जेक्ट मेन भर्ब भएर आउँथ्यो. अब इन्डाइरेक्टमा चाहिँ एक्सप्रेसनबाट सुरु भएर पछाडि सब्जेक्ट प्लस एक्जुलेरिज मेन भर्ब, यो सब्जेक्ट र एक्जुलेरिजको ठाउँ चेन्ज भएर आउँछ. This is indirect questions that we have also practiced in this unit. And another is reported question. That is what we have to know in this unit, and that is what we are going to learn here. Okay, this is reported question. This type of question is this type of question begins with some reporting verb like asked me, told me, said to me, right? These are reporting verbs. Reporting verb ta हामीले different types of reporting verb we have already practiced in previous units. उता पनि हामीले हेरेको छौं. Especially यहाँ चाहिँ asked, in case of question, reporting verb said to अथवा told are changed into asked भन्ने त थाहा छ हामीलाई हैन. Up to grade 10 we have learned this. So asked धेरै युज हुन्छ reporting verb चाहिँ. यो डाइरेक्ट के अरे रिपोर्टेड क्वेशन्समा रिपोर्टिङ भर्बहरुको युज हुन्छ. यो asked अथवा चाहिँ wanted to know भन्ने पनि युज हुन्छ यहाँ दिएको एक्सरसाइजहरुमा चाहिँ. अब यो केमा सुरु हुन्छ भन्दा पहिला सब्जेक्ट, रिपोर्टिङ भर्ब अनि अरु अब्जेक्ट यता हुन सक्छ. मी, यु. अब wanted to know me, wanted to know अथवा inquired अथवा asked me, यो मी चाहिँ अब्जेक्टको रूपमा आएको हुन्छ यहाँ डट डट डटमा त्यो बस्छ. त्यो पछाडी if अथवा wh वर्ड भनेको छ. yes no क्वेशन यसरी माथिको जस्तो yes no क्वेशन आएको छ भने if अथवा वेदरले जोडिन्छ. अब यहाँ चाहिँ why भएर यसरी wh क्वेशन आएको छ भने त्यही wh ले जोडिन्छ. त्यो चाहिँ हामीले अस्ति यो इन्डाइरेक्ट क्वेशन गर्दाखेरि पनि जोडेकै हो एक्सरसाइज, त्यस्तै हो. त्यो पछाडी सब्जेक्ट र एक्जुलेज भर्बको ठाउँ चेन्ज हुन्छ अनि मेन भर्ब आउँछ अनि अब्जेक्ट आउँछ अनि फुल स्टप हुन्छ. यहाँ चाहिँ कहिले पनि इन रिपोर्टेड क्वेशनमा चाहिँ कहिले पनि क्वेशन मार्क राखिँदैन, क्वेशन मार्क राख्न हुँदैन. यहाँ चाहिँ जहिले पनि फुल स्टपको प्रयोग गरिन्छ, फुल स्टपको. तर अरु क्वेशन्समा इन डाइरेक्ट क्वेशन अलवेज इन्ड्स विथ क्वेशन मार्क. इनडाइरेक्ट क्वेशन चाहिँ in case of according in case of this expression, हैन. If expression is in question form then question मै टुङ्गिन्छ. If expression is in statement form अथवा affirmative form then full stop मा टुङ्गिन्छ. तर reported question चाहिँ always ends with full stop, full stop मा मात्रै टुङ्गिन्छ. आजलाई यति मात्रै बुझिराखौं. Tomorrow we will learn in detail what is reported question, how we will change it. यो हामी डाइरेक्ट इन्डाइरेक्टमा क्वेशन्सहरुलाई कसरी इन्डाइरेक्ट बनाउँथ्यौं त्यो नै रिपोर्टेड क्वेशन्स हो. So you can have a screenshot of it. We have around 2 minutes and we will end our class today. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you for your patience for around 45 minutes. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye.